We'll guide you through how to increase your Dropbox storage. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Dropbox website and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the account settings by clicking on your profile icon at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, click on the Plan tab at the top. Here, you'll see an overview of your current storage usage and the options available for upgrading. If you're running out of space, you can upgrade your plan by clicking on Upgrade Plan. You'll be presented with different plan options that offer more storage and additional features. Choose the plan that fits your needs and follow the prompts to complete the purchase. If you're not ready to upgrade, you can also earn extra storage by referring friends. Go back to the main settings page and look for the Earn More Spaces option. Click on it to see the referral program details. By inviting friends to join Dropbox through your referral link, you can earn additional space for each person who signs up. To access this link, just click Invite a Friend and share it via email or social media. Each successful referral adds more space to your account. Another option for increasing storage is by cleaning up your existing files. Go to the Files tab and check for any large files or duplicates you may not need. Deleting these can free up significant space. You can also use the Storage tab to see which files or folders are taking up the most space, making it easier to decide what to remove. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.